Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the magnifier feature on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To activate the magnifier feature at any time, simply press the Windows key and the plus sign on your keyboard. This will open the magnifier window. On the magnifier window, you can press the plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out on your current page. The magnifier app also has a screen reader feature. You can press the play button and it will start reading the page from the top. If you press the skip button, it will skip to the next paragraph. If you click the cursor and sound button, you can then click on a part of the screen and it will start reading from there. You can close the magnifier using the X button on the window, or by pressing the Windows key and Escape on your keyboard. You can adjust the magnifier options by going to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Magnifier. From here, you can turn magnifier on or off, adjust the default zoom level and change the zoom increment. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.